NorthPoint Cabinetry offers a selection of on-trend cabinetry in the most popular styles and finishes that assemble quickly with only a screw gun or screwdriver and a rubber mallet. The 5-piece cope and stick doors are made from 3/4-inch stained birch solid wood with a veneered plywood center panel. All painted doors are made from medium-density fiberboard frame and center panel. The Essentials collection features a 2-inch wide door frame. The Premier collections features a wider 2 3/4-inch door frame for a more elegant look. The Essentials collection features 3/4-inch thick slab or 1-piece drawer fronts, and the Premier collections features 3/4-inch thick 5-piece drawer fronts. All collections include a 3/4-inch by 1.5-inch solid birch face frame. The Essentials collection is designed with a 1/2-inch or partial overlay, exposing more of the face frame for a forgiving alignment. The Premier collections features a full overlay, which conceals most of the frame and requires a more precise alignment. Both lines come standard with the Hardware Resources 6-way adjustable compact hinges. The Premier collections features a soft close upgrade. The Essentials collection include 3/4 extension undermount epoxy slides, and the Premier collections include the Hardware Resources DuraClose full extension undermount soft close slides. Each drawer box is made with 5/8-inch thick solid wood dovetail construction and a durable 1/2-inch thick veneered plywood bottom. Drawer box fronts come pre-attached to the drawer front for quick and easy assembly. The cabinet end panels are 1/2-inch thick plywood with a UV-coated natural birch interior and matching exterior finish. The frame face and end panels slide together with a solid mortise and tenon shouldered dovetail. The easy-to-assemble shoulder dovetail design covers the painted end for a clean and matching finish with no visible connectors or clips. The top-bottom panels of the cabinets are made from 1/2-inch thick plywood. The back panels slide down and assembles with a sliding dovetail design and durable pocket screw assembly system. A rear support beam is provided, so the entire floor of the base cabinet is rigid and strengthened. Base cabinets are finished off with 3/4-inch thick wood corner braces for a solid construction. A matching finished toe kick is provided. Each cabinet is assembled with no visible brackets, assembly clips, screws, cam locks, or staples in the interior, giving you a premium cabinet look. Shelf pins are included in each cabinet, and adjustable shelves are made from 3/4-inch thick veneered plywood. A center shelf pin comes standard in wide cabinets to handle heavy weight loads. Quality materials and construction, paired with simple and quick assembly, make NorthPoint Cabinetry the standout choice for cabinetry.